Katie, and I am a small bird specialist. Tweet, 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 tweet. Most of my day, I have to sit very still, and also quiet. Sometimes peanut butter helps to attract the tiny birds, but mostly I just have to sit real still. Tweet, 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 tweet. Oh, look. Oh, it's a bird. Here comes a bird now. Oh, it's a pink bird. Looks like it's from China. Most small birds like to fly and to sit and to eat peanut butter. And what makes them different than, say, a large bird is their size. They are smaller. Most small birds, whoa, it's okay. Most small birds prefer to live in trees or nests rather than, say, a mansion or a condo. Oh. I think the first time I became interested in birds was the first time I saw one. And then I couldn't stop drawing them. It's basically a V, and it also helps to draw a sun, which is basically a circle with some lines. It's important that we inform the public about the birds, since I'm pretty sure they're here to stay.